Hi there and welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. Today, fully loaded chicken taquitos. First, we're gonna start with the filling, and I used shredded chicken, and I took about 300 grams. I used a can of mixed beans, a can of corn and peas, shredded carrots, white shredded kale, half a cup of diced red onions, cream cheese, the light version, half a bag of chili cheddar cheese. Now give this a good mix. The chicken is done, now put it aside. Let's make a quick salsa. Half a can of diced tomatoes, chopped up garlic, salt, pepper, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime. Give it a good mix and our salsa is ready. Absolutely delicious. Let's make those taquitos. I use these corn wraps. We're gonna fill it with our chicken mixture. I used about 2 tablespoons for each. Now let's roll it up really tightly. And I'm gonna make about 8 of them. You can also make them with bigger wraps if you like. Whole wheat wraps or different kinds. I like these small ones. And there you have it, the last one. Before I put them in the air fryer, I'm gonna spray them with some low fat, or actually it's non-fat spray. That will give it a nice color. I have a small air fryer, so I'm gonna put in 4, spray them, and put them in for about 10 minutes. Now let's start plating. First, I'm gonna put on some mixed lettuce. A bit of lime. Now look at that beautiful brown color. They smell absolutely amazing. And I put 4 on it. And on top of that goes our delicious, easy to make salsa. Some extra diced up tomatoes. Delicious red onions, avocado, and red chili flakes. There you go, my take on Mexican taquitos. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment. I like comments. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram. And don't forget to hit that bell.